All right, we got another quick short video of what you can do this summer to prepare you for deer season. Today I'm out here and I got some brand new ratchet straps that I'm going to be placing on my hang-on stand, and in this case I am alone. So I'm going to show you how I do this by myself whenever I don't have somebody to help me out. So things you're going to want to have: I have my lineman's belt and some safeties, obviously the ratchet straps. You're going to want your lifeline because that is your backup. If something is to happen, the lifeline will catch you. Do not do this without a lifeline of some sort because it's just not worth it at the end of the day if you are to fall. Another helpful tip: please tell somebody where you are. Even if nobody can help you, at least give them an idea of where you are and what you're doing so you can be safe while you're doing this. This stand in particular has ratchet straps that are on their 3rd year, and I climbed up there the other day to check it out, and I just don't trust them. So if it's even close or questionable, I'm just going to go ahead and change them. Ratchet straps are relatively cheap, and it's very cheap compared to the damage you can do to yourself if you don't change them. So I have my belt on. I'm going to strap everything to me, and then I'm going to climb the tree. Okay, so another helpful thing that helps me, at least with my lineman's belt, I always have 2 safeties. If I get in a pinch and have to get around something, or I need another hand, I have another way to tie myself off. So in this case, I have my 1 safety on my lifeline, so if something were to happen, it's going to catch me, it's going to hold me. My other safety I have around the tree, which I have on top of the platform. So in theory, if I were to fall or whatever would happen, it would catch me, I would go into the tree, and all would be well. So you can see, again, I think these straps are at least 3 years old. I do leave my stands up. They're not in horrible shape, but I'm not going to risk it. It's definitely time for changing these things out. So every stand is different. This stand in particular has a strap that came with the stand that goes around the stand. So I'm not touching that one. I have my other 2 ratchet straps on here for my peace of mind and my safety. So this one might go bad, but I know at the end of the day, 2 500-pound ratchet straps holding my hang-on stand is what's really holding me up here. So now I'm going to do this pretty easily, one at a time. I'm going to start by undoing the top one and getting it all situated, and then I will fish my ratchet strap around, get it smooth and flush, and go from there. Sometimes when you leave these straps up here for too long, they can become a little bit of a pain in the butt to untie. So if you gotta have a little pair of pliers or a pocket knife to help you get it undone, definitely can help. Most of the time, you wiggle with it long enough, you can get it out of there. So especially since I'm working alone, send these to the ground. I'm gonna rig up the new ones. So, straight, nice strap. I'm gonna go around the tree, make sure I stay true and straight. I'm gonna hook into my old hook. Make sure it gets on the stand nice and high, exactly where I want it. Grab one of my ratchets. Feed it in the right way. Keeping it straight and true. I'll hook that in where the other hook was. I'm going to put just a little tension on it. Oh, I can already tell that one's kind of in a bind. Don't forget to check both sides before you start coming up on it, because that's what I forgot to do on that one right there. There we go. just get it a little snug. Okay, I'm gonna kill it yet. And for now, I'll just let my tail flap. I'll get the other one changed out. Same game. Okay. Drop the eel to the ground. Worry about that later. Okay. Same thing. Take our strap, go around the tree, keeping it straight, keeping it flush and true, into our hook, back around, find which way is straight, grab our new ratchet, in and out, get it high up on the tree where you like it, hook it back in its spot. Give it a couple cranks just to snug it, nothing crazy. Worry about the slacking a little bit. Okay. Now I'm gonna climb into the stand, kind of wiggle around, make sure I like everything before I get everything situated totally. Okay, I'm gonna undo my second safety, climb and step into the tree stand. Okay. We're up on the platform, got a great view in the woods. This should be awesome. I got everything how I like it. So now I'm going to get back down to where I was. I feel like I've wiggled in the tree good, and I'm gonna make sure that the straps are plenty tight. And then I'm gonna wrap up my tails. I'm back in the tree. Now I'm literally just gonna take my tails, and if I have enough slack, I try to tie it to where if something were to break, the strap would hold it. It wouldn't be safe, but it would at least keep the stand from falling to the ground. So I'm gonna take my tail, keep it smooth, come this way, and go through my strap and tie up the ends. Okay, and there you have it. I just like to tie up my tails to keep them from flapping in the wind. Basically any extra movement up here, I don't need it. So the straps have been changed and they're gonna be good for a little while. I hope you've enjoyed this little video of how to change out ratchet straps on a deer stand by yourself. Again, safety is most important. Be careful when you're out doing this. Tell somebody where you are. Getting ready for deer season can be exciting, and I'm looking forward to another hopefully successful season. One step closer. So until next time, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.